Just like with any of my displays, I love it when people come in and are nostalgic and kind of remember. So if they're like, "Oh, I worked at Western Hills AEA, I contributed to this," or my mom, I just love to hear the stories. That comes a lot with my job as the local history librarian. Just hearing the stories and people remembering and reminiscing, and or I thought to try something new. That was kind of my goal. Really was try something old-fashioned and have fun with it.
And now you have so many recipes. How did you go about finding the recipes, choosing the recipes?
It was kind of tough because I would just flip through and kind of pick at random and made sure I had a variety. Anything that sounded a little weird or interesting, I kind of grabbed that. And then also ones that were kind of familiar or like classic Sioux City type recipes like Tasty Sandwich or the Tasty Dip. So I wanted a variety basically.